What happens when a brand deep-rooted in the mobile phone world blends in with the modern technology? Well, the Nokia 7 Plus happens. Launched a while back, this smartphone is something you should take a look at. Before anything, let's unbox the phone itself. I have this attractive box here with me today. Let's quickly see what's inside it. First, this is the phone itself with this copper rail mixing in with the glass and the back. There is a case, an adapter, a Type-C cable and a good-looking earphone inside the box. So this is the Nokia 7 Plus. It has this ceramic fill coating which is helping me with a better grip. The copper frame might look a little bit weird, but I think it has made the device look classy. And the rail has matched well with the overall accent of the device, don't you think? Now up front, there's a 6-inch Full HD Plus display. Well, right out of the box, this display looks quite tall and I think people with smaller hands will have a hard time holding the phone. But once you hold it well, the 7 Plus feels quite premium on hands. One of the best features of the 7 Plus is its software. It comes under Google's Android One project and you can already install the Android P beta here. However, this device only has the January security update, which is kind of strange. This bloat-free software is coupled with a Snapdragon 660 chipset and 4GB of RAM. Well, fresh off the box, I think this device will provide you an optimum performance with the stock Android experience and the top quality processor. We will cover all the aspects in our full review, so make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Now let's talk about the camera here. We are dealing with a dual 12 and 13 megapixel cameras on the rear side, which captures bright pictures but tends to oversaturate the images by quite a margin. Even though I'm into saturated pictures, the few images I've taken seem too colorful to my liking. And while we are at it, the skin tone in the selfies is overdone as well. The 3800 mAh battery will certainly last for a couple of days, and with fast charging supported, you won't have to carry around your charger for long. Storage wise, the 64GB of memory this device has will be ample for a normal user. However, while expanding the memory, you'll have to choose between a microSD card and a SIM card. For what it's worth right now, I think Nokia could have easily gone with a dedicated microSD card slot. So that's all about the Nokia 7 Plus. We are coming up with its full review, so make sure you hit that bell icon. Until next time, this is Anush taking leave.